Welcome to 82 Marvin Avenue in the wonderful neighborhood of Somerset of Franklin Township, nearby to New Brunswick, across the stream there, and Rutgers University nearby. Lovely, quiet neighborhood, well-maintained homes. This home is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath with some finished rooms in the basement. It comes with upgraded thermal insulated windows, central air, and also comes with a Generac electric generator that you can see working here. You have a nice convenient side door for entry to the side of the house into the kitchen. Plenty of room to add a garage here. A nice yard. Very large and pretty private. Owners have maintained the house very well. The roof is in good shape. No leaks inside. And we're going to head in to the inside of the home. You have a handicap access ramp. Leading into the front door. Home has all hardwood floors throughout, mostly with area rugs. It's in need of cosmetic updating, but with a location like this, you cannot go wrong with putting in a little bit of money and elbow grease. Upgraded thermal insulated windows. Nice kitchen with dinette, dining area. This can be easily opened up to a more open layout. Double sink. Electric self-cleaning oven. Refrigerator. All the appliances are included in the home. We're going to go over to the bedroom side. Where we have the 3 bedrooms. One here with a double closet. The second here set up as a home office. Little closet there. Thermal guard, double insulated windows, which is a great thermal insulated window. Replacement window. Another bedroom here and closet. Really all you need here is paint. bathroom, which can easily accommodate a double sink if you chose to go that route. Tub shower. They had all the tiles reglazed and regrouted. No issues there. Lower floor. Nice multiple shelf closets. Another multiple shelf linen closet. Coat closet. Attic access through a scuttle. And we'll head down into the basement. Basement is completely dry. They did have a water issue one time when the power went out, and that's the reason they put the Generac system in. Sump pump is there, and as long as that runs, there's no problem whatsoever here. Brand new sump pump and piping. And as you can see, that's pretty much dry there. A couple of drops in the bottom. And today was a rainy day, so this here was used as an auxiliary office / bedroom. With a walk-in closet here. And more storage there. Home has tremendous storage space. Nice big double closet here with some shelving. Has an awful lot to offer. It is heated by oil heat, but the furnace and central air were replaced in 2010 with higher efficiency. Electric hot water heater. And a half bath down here for convenience. So if you wanted to finish this off into recreation area, party rooms, whatever, you have a nice, convenient bathroom here. Newer washing machine. Old Kenmore dryer. That's a workhorse. Those things never die, especially the electric ones. Plenty of storage space, and as you can see here, everything was done, code, permits, and all in 2010 with the furnace and central air system. Have some extra storage bins here. This is your Generac station. And your 100 amp main electrical panel. Wonderful neighborhood, worry-free home. Give us a call and let's make this one your own.